Finger Family.
The Transfiguration. Jesus took 3 of his apostles, Peter, James, and John, to the top of a high mountain. There, Jesus was transfigured. His face shone as brilliantly as the sun, and his clothes became a blinding white. The prophets Moses and Elijah appeared beside him, bathed in the same light. A bright cloud came down around them, and the apostles heard the voice of God. "This is my beloved Son, listen to him." In terror, the 3 apostles fell to their knees. Jesus reached out to them and told them not to be afraid. "You must go back now, but do not speak of what you have seen here until the Son of Man has risen again." The apostles left Jesus, puzzled by his last words.
If you like the video,
subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.